to my video. Dedicated every because today we're making homemade ice cream. If you want to see my last video that I made pancakes, it will be the link in the description box below. Okay, let's get to cookie. The ingredients are yogurt, and we also got, what is this?
Cream cheese,
We even got crackers,
biscuit,
strawberry, and some
whipped cream.
First, we're gonna blend the strawberry. How many strawberries have to put?
You're gonna put it all, but you're gonna left some, like 1/4 cup of strawberry for the toppings.
Okay. I can't do it yet. We're gonna turn it in. Woo! We are gonna put all of the blended strawberry inside of the whipped cream. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh. It looks like syrup, like strawberry syrup. We're gonna put 200 grams of
Cream cheese. We're gonna put 200 grams of cream cheese.
But it's okay. I think so. Cheesy out. Oh, this is so. Oh my god. We're gonna put
6 tablespoons, about 6 to 10 tablespoons of yogurt inside. Yes.
Oh wow. Lop. 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go.
Now we're gonna mix it all up.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard to mix.
So inside is whipped cream, cream cheese,
Why?
the blended strawberry,
This is so.
and yogurt.
Oh,
We're just gonna mix it all up.
Now we're gonna put with biscuit all of it.
All of it inside.
Let's get one. Okay.
This is how our ice cream look like. Okay, you're gonna mix it all up now.
And nobody been the best cooker in this video in YouTube, but my mom is the best actually. Maybe mommy can have her own cooking video if we have 5 million subscribers.
This is how our ice cream look like now.
It's
so creamy.
It's so yogurty. I'm a yogurty. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now we're gonna put our homemade ice cream in the pan. Oh my god, I'm so crazy in this video. I don't know why. Oh, I'm a fish. I don't know why I'm laughing. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna put the crackers and strawberry to make some toppings on it.
Yes, we're gonna sprinkle the remaining the biscuit and the remaining strawberries on top of our
I need some water.
ice.
I'm gonna put the remaining strawberries on top. Boingy, 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 boingy. like a piece on top. This is like the king of all the. Now the ice cream is done. We are gonna put it in the
Freezer
until
and let it set overnight.
Let's open up the cooler. Oh my. Okay. After one night when it's in the refrigerator, now our ice cream has done. Now we're gonna try it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's now look at how delicious this looks. Whoa. My hand is feeling so good. Mix. Now we're gonna taste the ice cream. It didn't look amazing. Let's try it. I'm so excited. Let's try it again. Come on. It's not gonna go. You can only get like a big piece. Okay, this one now we're pink. Okay, come on. It tastes delicious. Papa, you got it. This looks so skinny on me, I think.
Aisha, how was your ice cream?
I'm gonna look at mommy. It's ready. Okay.
Wow, is it good?
You know, when I try
You like
to do
it,
like this,
Aisha?
when I try to do it like this, it kind of does
Yes.
sometimes.
Aisha, how was your ice cream?
Okay.
Yummy!
Yum.
It's good?
Yummy.
Wow, yummy, yummy, yummy. Sophia, how was it?
It's so cold.
Yes.
It's cold.
I know.
Mommy's cold. Mommy's cold. Let's try it. Can I dip it in the ice cream? Yeah, that would be kind of cool. Let's turn. Oh. Oh my god.
It's good?
Yeah.
Yummy.
When I dip in the ice cream, it tastes better than before without the ice cream. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want, you can make this homemade ice cream a try. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give this 900 likes, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. This is Sophia Dream World, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.